everyone. So today's kind of a different video. I'm not making any tutorials. I did want to do a haul video because I get a lot of questions on where I get my bands from. So I ordered a bunch of new bands from rainbowloom.com. And I'm going to do a lot of talking in this video. There's no tutorial, so please don't write in the comments below that I talk too much because this is all a talking video and there's no bracelet tutorial. But I did want to show you my haul. So this is a haul video of my Rainbow Loom brand. So I ordered a bunch of special edition or limited edition Rainbow Loom bands, and they are round. So a lot of people ask me where I get these bands from, which I use in a lot of my bracelets, like this one here. The white ones are the rounded bracelets, and this one too, that's rounded. So I ordered this one, and this one is Pink Star Diamond, and I think the color is super pretty. So if you were to go on rainbowloom.com and look for their limited edition bands, and then it'll say like, I think cylinder cross section, that's these bands. So I also ordered these limited edition gemstone ones, which are a little glittery too. I can take it out. I haven't opened this yet. See, they're a little glittery. So they're a little pearl. Let me try to focus. You can see that. So there's a little glitter in them there. So these are really pretty. And then there's like blue, purple, and red. And then I ordered another. I just ordered plain white because I feel like white is always just a nice color to have. And this is white and this is pearl. So I already have a bunch of the pearl ones, which are kind of old. So, but the color has been the same, and they are not as stretchy. Like you can't use these as hair bands. So these are my limited edition bands. I also ordered some silicone bands. So what's the difference between silicone bands and just like regular Rainbow Loom bands? The silicone ones are actually not as stretchy and they last way longer. So some of my bands are like 5 or 6 years old and they just have broken. Some of my bracelets, like, so this is a really old bracelet that I have, and then the white is so old that if I pull on it, it'll just snap. But these silicone bands, they actually last. So most of the bracelets I've made with the silicone bands have lasted, and they're not as stretchy either. So when I was in a period of not looming and I would try to use these as hair ties, the silicone ones and the round limited edition ones were not good hair ties, but the regular rubber bands were good, but they would snap if they're old. So this is the Mermaid one, which I love the Mermaid color combo. So this is the Mermaid silicone bands. And I also got, I don't remember what this one was. Oh, this is Halloween. I think this was on sale on their site for $1. So I was like, oh, what a good deal for silicone bands. So I just picked those up. And then I also got, I can't remember what this one was. I think these are not silicone. They're just regular bands, but I like them because they were like translucent. Hopefully they're not too old, because I'm thinking that if I just order on the site, they're not pulling from old inventory. But these, you can see, are way more stretchier. Let me pull the silicone band. Sorry, I know this packaging makes the most horrible crunching sound. See, not as stretchy as this one. Look at how stretchy this one is. So, and they're a little thicker too. I feel like the silicone bands are a little thicker than these regular bands. And then my last haul is this, which are Rainbow Loom, and these are solar bands, which means that they change color in the sun. So I'm going to actually take my camera and my bands to the sun so I can show you. So these are my bands, and I'm just going to put it by a sunny window, and then I'm just going to put it over here. Oh, there's like a little glare, but do you see how they're changing purple? Look at how cool that is. So let's move it back so you can see over here that some of them are blue. So this side is blue and this side turned purple. So I'll do this side again because it was a little glary there. And then they're slowly changing purple. So these are super cool. I'm excited to see what I can make with these. And they come in a bunch of different color changing ones. I just chose this blue and purple because I thought it looked really nice in both colors. So I'm back at my desk and they're changing back slowly. You can see that now it's turning back purple. Okay, so that's my haul. So if you had any questions about that, and I also wanted to talk about my pencil loom because I think there's a lot of questions about that too. So there's a tutorial out here on how to make my pencil loom. I will link it below in the comments below. So if you want to know how to make this, it's basically 2 pencils, a piece of paper, or I use a piece of styrofoam, whatever you want. You just want the top to be wider than the bottom, see? So just fairly straightforward, and I've had these for years. Some of the bands you can tell are breaking, but you can use a hair tie, which lasts way longer. And I also wanted to do just a bracelet tour of my favorite bracelets because I was digging through my old bracelets and just show you some of the bracelets that I just love. And there's tutorials out there for all of them. So this is my Rainbow Dash bracelet. So if you haven't made this one, I just love the way this looks. I love the color combo. And I think it's fairly straightforward to make. So this is a little more on the advanced side tutorial. So if you want to go out there and make this one, there's a tutorial out there. Okay, this is my all-time favorite bracelet just because it looks like rainbows and hearts to me. And this one's called Lorax. And there's a half Lorax, which I really like too. And I didn't design this bracelet. It was actually designed by an Instagram user called Loomer. She doesn't make any bracelets anymore, but be sure to check out this tutorial. And this is on the advanced side. And I have multiple tutorials out there. Pick the latest one because there was, in the beginning, I was trying to do it with a hook and it wasn't the greatest tutorial. But if you pick the latest tutorial, you can learn how to make that one. And this is probably one of my favorite bracelets. Another one of my favorites is my Aries bracelet. I just like the one that this one looks, and if your sign is an Aries or know someone, it's perfect for them. It looks like the zodiac sign. And this is my Entrapped Fish bracelet, another one of my favorites, just because I think it looks so unique. You can make the outside colors like white and then change the inside colors. So I really like that one. And my last bracelet that I wanted to show you, this is actually called my Skinny Fish bracelet, which I don't have the tutorial. I just made this one fairly recently and I haven't published a tutorial yet. But I don't know, I don't know why, for some reason I really like this, maybe because it's really thin and I think it looks really cool. So that is are my bracelets, my favorite bracelets. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. I just wanted to address some questions and, you know, show you my little haul. So be sure to check out rainbowloom.com if you want to buy these. I didn't get sponsored by them or anything. I wish I did. But yeah, they're a great resource for buying bands. Their bands are higher quality than other people's bands. So thanks for watching and bye now.